Oh. Oh.
There goes another person, guys. No, I'm across the street, so I have seen the whole, I saw when the building started exploding and the debris started flying, and I could see parts of what it looked like to me, a plane, and as it was exploding, I was afraid at our window, the debris was hitting against our window. I was afraid that part of it was going to break through, that it was on fire. And yes, I was, and the entire building shook. And I'm from California, that earthquake, I look up and the window is completely filled with flames and debris. You can hear more explosions. You can hear more explosions.